on the bet, boy. I bet you that stroker crank win. I bet you the stroker 393 win. All right, man. PullsTv back with another one, man. Y'all see who I'm here with, man. Y'all already know what's finna go down. Y'all already know. An argument finna go down. PullsTv was back. Already. Y'all go over to his channel, subscribe. Monday Steven 448. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Instagram at one this. I don't know. I put it on the screen. But anyway, let me get this out of the way, man. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the video. All right, so man, we need y'all help to settle a debate. He thinks. All right, explain your combination of your wins. So,
all right, man.
Go ahead.
All right, so for the Windsor people that really know about the Windsor, the 351 base Windsor block, you can take, if you don't use a forged stroker kit, you can use a cast crank, you know, stock bottom end, and build a 393 with it with 302 piston. And I was telling him, he was like, well, I think, you know, a 393 with a forward bottom end, it'll make more power than a stock bottom end 393. And I'm like, nah, I feel like they probably gonna do the same thing.
I ain't necessarily even saying that a forged bottom end. I'm just saying a stroker, like a stroker 393.
Well, yeah.
A 393 stroker will outperform that cause you only getting top end power. Mm-hmm. That's how you get. But when you go stroker, you get the torque and the horsepower. So your horsepower gonna be up here, your torque gonna be down here. I promise you.
No,
I promise you.
No, it's the same thing because so with the stock bottom end of a 393 Windsor, you use the stock bottom end crank and rod, but you use a 302 piston. The compression height is taller, which makes it into a 393 stroker. So it's still a stroker either way.
But I just man, look. If you know anything about these Fords, I'm not even a Ford man, but I just know a little something about cars. I honestly feel like that stroker build, if you go in the bottom end, you notch the block out for a stroker crank, and then what is it to make a 393 the other way? 30 over pistons?
Yeah, 30 over 302 piston.
Now I'm talking about with my combination.
With soil?
Yeah.
It's
going 30 over pistons or would it be?
Yeah.
Okay, so 30 over pistons. And man, come on, man. This ain't. I don't even feel like this is a debate. Man, I'm gonna tell y'all what we're gonna have to do, man. Y'all listen. What I need y'all to do is comment down below. Do you think the stroker combination gonna win, or do you think the 302 or what you call the Poe Man Windsor?
Poe Man Windsor. Poe Man stroker. That's what they call it.
Comment down below the Poe Man Windsor versus the stroker 393 Windsor, man. I'm willing to bet money that stroker Windsor is gonna beat that Poe Man Windsor 10 out of 10 times.
It's a stroker either way. But you gotta think about it though. They made changes on the stroker crankshaft with a stock crankshaft. It's not. It's I feel like it's easier to turn, and it's also a cast crank.
So, but. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you this: on a Poe Man Windsor, do you have to go to the machine shop at all?
Oh yeah, of course. I mean, well,
so what you going to the machine shop for?
Well,
Poe Man Windsor?
You don't have to, but it's recommended. Like you could just like get everything and just throw it in there, but that's not ideal.
So basically, it's just going to the machine shop for like line and home and stuff like that.
Yeah, make sure everything balanced out, like the pistons, rods, and all that stuff.
But nothing is being done to the block as far as block being done. No. Stroker for the win, y'all. Stroker for the win. I promise you.
Hey.
I'm gonna tell y'all what we're gonna have to do. I'm gonna be honest with you. I ain't got no money right now to build no 393 stroker. I'm gonna show y'all my wallet right here. I'm gonna show y'all how much money I got. Look, nothing. I ain't got no money here right now. But one day we gonna have to build these motors. The Poe Man 393 versus the Stroker 393. Cause he got a fought body and I got a fought body. We gonna run them. And I can promise you, Big Bad Foxy gonna come out on top. 10 out of 10 times. I promise you.
Oh man.
Come on, man. Let's be real about it now.
We'll see. That's all.
It'll come one day, but look, this what we gonna need y'all to do. Y'all gonna have to, y'all got to subscribe to my channel because y'all here. Then go over to his channel after you subscribe to mine. If you don't go to his channel, make sure you subscribe to mine. Don't worry about him, but worry about me. Now I'll just mess with you. Go over and subscribe.
Monday Steven 4480.
Monday Steven 4480, man. Man, we had got on the phone arguing about this thing, man. I said, man, we gonna make a video about this. We gonna see what the YouTubers think. We gonna see what the YouTubers think, and we gonna see what happens. We gonna see what y'all think, man. I need to know. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put a poll out. I'm gonna put a poll out before this video drop, and we gonna see who win the poll. All right. Put some money on the bet, boy. I bet you that stroker crank win. I bet you the stroker 393 win.
All right, look, I ain't really want to talk. I just be ready to see the look on the person's face after they get beat. That's what type of person I am.
Come on, man. Hey, y'all, he got his hood up on his Mustang over here. I'm finna turn the camera around and show y'all what my hood is.
Why you gonna do that?
Man, making Chevrolet look bad, real bad.
They bad anyway. I think he want me to get on.
Man, that thing
start my car. Man. Oh, he parked it.
But anyway, man, we just had to get this little argument out the way, man. Get this settlement. Like I said, if you ain't comment it below. If you know anything about the Pro Man Windsor and the Stroker Windsor, if you built them, let us know what kind of power you made. We can settle this debate, man. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. PullsTv, gone.